Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 10-in-1 power strip adapter. This is actually really pretty neat. This has the ability to be mounted on a wall, so you can easily mount that on a wall or anywhere that you're wanting a little more water protection, because this is IPX6 waterproof. Now it does have a 6-foot cable, and I'm loving the fact that it has this flat end so that it can go flush into the wall and not be able to block anything if you had furniture. As you can see, cords like this, they stick out way far from the wall. If this was behind this cabinet, you'd never know it was there. 6-foot cable, really thick cable on this, which is really nice. And then of course it does have the ability to plug in up to 10 devices at once. Now what makes this really unique and special in my opinion is the fact that these 6 pieces are spaced out, which means if you have big bulky adapters, plugging those in, that doesn't block off 3 different spaces. You can still plug in other devices right next to it, and that is really neat. You also can plug in other things. Turning this on has a lighted switch, which is covered with a rubberized piece here. You've even got these pieces here for the USBs that are covered in the USB-Cs to also have little plugs that you can use to cover those up if you're not using them, to help keep water from intruding in those. So now I can actually plug in all of my devices down here, plug in a steamer, plug in my dog trimmers, plug in other apparatus, and plug in my phone, and have everything charging in a wet location, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys again for sending it.